welcome to my videos. So guys, while many of you might be looking to buy your first house here in Canada or elsewhere, at least to the countries where similar houses are there, you might be confused that what should I go with, a detached, semi-detached or a townhouse? While all have some benefits and disadvantages, I'm gonna tell you some important ones. Definitely, I'm not going to tell you the price comparison. You know that very well. I'm not going to tell you freehold or freehold or uh, condo properties. That I'm not going to tell because you know that also. Price you can always check. Okay. So I'm not going to talk about that. Now let's start with detached. While most of the people would really love to live in a detached house because of various benefits. First, you have no wall sharing with your neighbors. So that means you have maximum privacy. That means chances of noise transfer is the chance of noise transfer are least in this case. Okay. But the biggest advantage is like you have full control to renovate, expand, or change even the exterior portions of the house. But again, within the limits of local bylaws, sometimes even you need permits, but without consulting your neighbors. Your neighbor is not going to be involved. Now, if you live in a semi-detached, for example, and if you want to get your roofing done, you need to get permission from your immediate neighbor too. But for a detached house, you can do it yourself. If there are some bylaws about this, you need to follow and any permit if required, but you don't need any permission from your neighbor for doing that. Now, sometimes people say that it has got larger yards, which could be possible, but I'm not going to talk about that because that you can see in the property map too. Main factor like the control, maximum privacy control, and generally these are the properties because of they are in high demand, appreciate faster than other types of properties. But there are certain side effects too. I mean to say disadvantages too. So when the price of the property goes up, taxes also go up. So when taxes go up, your pocket is gonna feel the burden. That means you may be ending up paying higher tax down the year. Okay. And then under certain circumstances, even doing full maintenance gonna be very is gonna be like very bad for your pocket. For example, if you are in a semi-detached property and something on happened on roof, like if you and your neighbor are gonna share the cost, that's fine. But in your house, you are responsible for full maintenance. Of course, insurance, other things are there, but you have to do it yourself, right? And and other activities which are like almost similar, lawn care and snow removal. Even for semi-detached also, at least for your area, you are supposed to do. But in detached, it will be like too long, too much of it. However, another impact is on utilities. Okay, utilities, I'm not talking about water, I'm talking about heating and cooling. In a semi-detached property, when you have one wall, semi-detached and even in townhouses, when you have like walls shared, so that means you have higher insulation. So cost of heating and cooling would be less than uh, a detached property because a detached property it is exposed to environment from all sides. Okay, all walls need to be heated and also cooled down similarly. But for a semi-detached or even townhouses, it's not like that. So there your cost could be less. Okay. But yes, most of us privacy matters. Okay. Now by doing this itself, I have described some benefits and disadvantages for other properties too. Now coming to semi-detached property again, like it is also appreciate in most of the cases under similar circumstances, it also appreciates, but not as fast as a detached property. Okay, so that the same is reflected in your taxes too, and energy efficiency we have already calculated, described. Okay, and when it comes to privacy here, you have only one wall shared, so privacy is better than a townhouse, but not like a detached house. And to be honest with you guys, in many cases, it may matter. Okay, because if you have got a bad neighbor, oh my God, in a semi-detached, your life could be hell. Especially with shared driveways, if you have a problem like your neighbor doesn't park well, or sometimes park that some portions of their cars enter your property. You don't want to talk about these topics, right? You don't want to talk about these topics, right? And then if they don't do their grass and other things well, then squirrels and other wild animals may get attracted, and you'll be at the higher impact. And if you have a shared wall, and if there's a tree that is very near to uh, their property, it may impact your foundation too. Okay. So it's like lot of interests that are shared in terms of property maintenance. And yes, there's a noise potential too. If they start dancing with loud music in the backyard, it may impact. And not just in the backyard, because that will impact detached property too. But even if they do it inside their home, still you have high potential of hearing them because your wall is shared with them. Benefits, as I described, energy efficiency, you will see. Coming to townhouse, okay. Townhouse like multiple houses stacked together, but corner units generally act as semi-detached because for a corner unit, only one wall is shared. Okay, another factor before I proceed is fire safety. Okay, if you live in a detached house, if there's a fire in your unit, I pray to God it should happen to no one. But then if it is in your unit, in most of the cases, unless it's a huge blaze, your neighbor house, in most of the cases, um, is gonna be safe because by the time it reaches to the stage of blazing into someone else's house, in most of the cases, firefighters would at least control it to that extent. But for semi-detached and townhouses, because you have a wall shed, so spreading a fire between houses is much easier. For semi-detached, it's like one house, other could easily get impacted. For townhouse, much easy in a much easier way it can get impacted very easily because fire has lot of medium to spread easily. Okay, so that is also a concern. Okay, now townhouse, as you will see that uh, the problem with the renovation and all because you don't have much space to renovate because your two sides are gone unless it's a corner unit. Two sides are gone because there are other walls shared with your neighbors. Only in the corner unit you have only one wall shared, but in other ways you have like two walls shared. So yeah, you don't have much chances to renovate. At least sidewalks are gone. Even if you have any plan to have a basement unit, in many townhouses, it may not be feasible, right? Because there are separate rules. Because in semi-detached, you can have a legal basement. I myself have. So, because for fire safety, you need to have a secondary exit too. In like in my basement apartment, there's an egress window that is considered a secondary exit. That's why I got the legalized permit. But in a townhouse, it could be very difficult to get based on structure and other things. For detached, it's easier. Yeah. And of course, there are much more fire risk involved, much more involvement from neighbors. Like if both sides of neighbors are like music lover or dance lover, imagine what your life could be. And depending upon, but nowadays I'm seeing that in a lot of townhouses, they do have proper barriers between the units, so that's why parking issues generally don't surface, at least in newer units. But in older units, when there is nothing, again, there could be some parking issues. If there are garages one after one, one after one after one with no clear marking or barrier, there could be issues of parking. Many times a guest comes to your neighbor house and they park at your side, and you don't know, and you say, "Oh my God, whose car is this? I really don't know. What am I supposed to do?" You would just think about it. So, guys, I have described all the benefits, all the advantages, security, and other things. So, Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.